Thank you so much. Hello viewers, welcome back to PINGALAKSHA tutorials. So today I'm not going to share any subjective topic. In fact, I'm going to share my happiness with you all. As today is my birthday and my student have thrown a wonderful party for me. So the love and respect teacher gets from the student, it's truly a blessing and a real asset for the teacher. And I'm blessed with them. Thank you so much all of my students and God bless you all. So we will meet soon with the another lecture. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy and
Keep learning.
thank you.
Just the way you like. Maybe I could wait for time on you. My deepest of secrets, trust you to keep them, hiding the words that I cannot say. I got what you wanted, I got what you needed. It's all in the